Oh, I should have shaved before I came. Count that out.
Lorne has been coming into the office for about 15 years. He started when he was 70, now he's in his mid-80s. And what's so incredible is Lorne is loving life, he's thriving, he's still able to engage in his sports and recreation, all the things that we would want to do for however many years we get here.
I always had a lot of pain up in here through here. And my nose had been plugged up a lot. But I have no idea what he did. But when he finished, it was gone.
You know, I've been in practice for nearly 25 years, and what's incredible is the number of patients who might first go to a chiropractor, not expecting certain changes, but absolutely amazed what problems they had dealt with for many, many years seem to miraculously go away once they start receiving chiropractic care. In Lorne's case, it was his sinuses. He had dealt with sinus problems for many, many, many years, thought he would live with them forever. And sure enough, after his first adjustment, sinus problems went away, never had another sinus problem again. We believe in healing at any age. We also believe that it's not just about the quantity of the years that you get, it's about the quality of those years.
I'm 86 now, going on 87. I'm still going out. I'm still detecting. I can still bend the knee.
So in a case like Lorne's or any other patient who has a sinus problem or a problem in their eyes, ears, nose, or throat, should a chiropractor evaluate a patient and identify that there's a subluxation, which is a misalignment of a vertebra or a region of vertebrae sufficient enough that it has an impact on the nervous system, that can in many times explain why that patient has had problems for many years. The solution, of course, is the chiropractic adjustment, which is designed to reduce the stress on the nervous system and best allow the body to heal itself naturally.
Look at me. I'm doing fine.